Good morning, guys. I am headed to work. Well, I haven't actually backed out of my driveway yet, but I would like to do a what I pack in my nurse bag, and also like for meal prepping and that kind of thing, and just like I do kind of travel nursing, and it's great to have the things you need and make sure you're prepared if you get stuck. That sounds bad that a nurse gets stuck, but you kind of do sometimes. I mean, if someone doesn't show up, you can't leave your patients. So that's why I always have this huge bag, and I thought I would share with you what's inside of it. Okay, this is my bag, packed jam full. This is a Vera Bradley bag, and the inside of the bag is lined in this, well, you can see my pen marks on it, in it's wipeable material. And then right on top I have 2 lunch boxes. I know that seems excessive, but it's hot here. It's summertime. It's like almost 100 degrees, so I have huge ice packs in here inside of these 2 lunch boxes. I of course have my travel mug, and I like this one because it's ceramic inside. I think coffee tastes better in like a real cup. And because I do eat the ketogenic lifestyle, I have this self-stir mug as well, so that I can mix in different things into my coffee throughout the day. I love that right inside this bag there's this little pocket here, and I always keep the same things here. I keep my lip scents and my gloss, and I keep my car keys. Show you my cute keychain. My daughter lives in Denver, so I love that little pocket. Okay, and I keep this little bag. This is Vera Bradley. I like that it's clear, that I can kind of see what's in here. And I keep like kind of a variety of things in here. So I have this Ultima electrolyte powder. In the keto world, I need electrolytes. I also keep sweetener, sucralose. And I have these little minis. These are cocoa butter that I put in my coffee. I have a little packet of almonds. And just kind of see down in there. I have a little toothbrush. I have some cold medicine. I have peanuts from a flight. I wear contacts, so I have contact solution. I have a little tube of lip stuff. And I also have little packs of sweetener. So I just keep a little bit of everything in here. I also have this reusable travel coffee cup with a straw that I just kind of throw in here. I usually mix up electrolytes with some ice in it. Okay, so I took out my lunch packs, and then you can see I keep the shaker bottle in here. I keep a planner. I have bone broth back here in the corner. I have this little battery powered fan. I'll link some of this stuff down below. And it also has a port on this fan to charge. I got a little bit of everything in here. I've got lipstick pouch. I have headphones that are a mess. I also keep this little charger in here. It'll jump your car. It'll power your phones. It has an emergency light here on the end. Let's blind you. I have used this so many times. I do want to mention I'm a travel nurse, so I get called out spur of the moment. So it's great to just keep this ready with things in it I need. And I keep like a snack jar of nuts in here. I have some sugar-free gum in here. And I have my glasses. And then I also have this cute little Vera Bradley case that I keep extra contacts in. So that's about it in here. And then I'm just going to show you what I packed in my lunch boxes. Okay, I have this Vera Bradley. I'm not sure what style this is. But inside of this, the only thing I have in here, I have an ice pack, is heavy whipping cream. Oh, which it's spilling. And I use that sometimes in my coffee to add some fat to it. I'm doing the keto diet. And I also add this to my bone broth. It makes it kind of like a creamy soup. The inside of this bag is wipeable, which is really good, and it has this little pocket. No, I guess it's not a pocket. I thought it had a pocket on the side. But it's wipeable, so, and you can also throw it in the washer, which obviously I'm going to need to since my cream spilled. Okay, this is my lunchbox by JoJo. I got this at TJ Maxx. I love that it has this little handle, and then it has a really long handle, so I can kind of wear it crossbody. And so let's see what is inside. So you can kind of see everything is in here. I have a huge cold pack in the bottom. I have shredded cheese. I have salsa. I have these English muffins that are made out of almond flour. And then I have pre-cooked ground beef with some taco seasonings that I season myself. And then I have this little jar that I got at Target, and that has sour cream in it. And that is it. I plan to make like a taco salad out of this. Okay, guys, that is in what is in my bag. I hope this gives you some inspiration, helps you be more organized. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you on board.